central bakery, and we are finishing the final touches of the gingerbread house that goes into the Haunted Mansion holiday. This year, we are celebrating the 20th presentation of Gingerbread House. What makes this specific house unique is we are getting elements from the last 20 houses and putting them specifically into this house. We used over 200 pounds of powdered sugar, about 50 or so pounds of egg whites. We use well over a pound of glitter to make it sparkle and shine. Over 200 pounds collectively of gingerbread dough as well. So there are quite a lot of ingredients that really made this house what it is. Today we are finishing by putting the card shingles on the house. We added some glitter elements and are finishing touches to the house itself. We are also adding the snow to the base of the house. Because the house is so tall, we actually do have to work on it in pieces at a time. And so our resort partners help get each individual piece into the mansion ballroom. And from there, we collectively start putting the house together, finishing those small details, even add a hidden Mickey here and there. Once the house is inside the ballroom, the entertainment team will also add the animation aspect to it. So some of those pieces will be moving back and forth. This house is actually a really cool opportunity for two different departments to really work together that usually don't. So we have the central bakery team, and then we also have our entertainment partners. And it's a really great partnership to be able to come together and create this amazing masterpiece.